I'm going to show you how to make $10, $20, $50 or more just by testing the app, and this can be done in anywhere in the world. You are only going to test apps, test websites, test and view hardware, and you'll be paid this easy money. So this is some of the side hustles that you can do to get some money ongoing, guys. And the website is called betatesting.com, guys. If you watch the end, I'll show you how to double the money that you get through this site. So don't skip anything, listen to me, watch to the end, and I'll reveal that big secret that you double the money that you gain from here. So when the site opens, remember, click on join as a beta tester. So when you click on join as a beta tester, let's see how it works, guys. So 1, you test new apps from companies and people, test the websites and hardware. And 2, you need to complete tasks on the apps and the websites and send them a bug report. Now the bug is errors that you find as you use the app. And lastly, you earn, guys. You earn from $10 up to $20 and more, guys, just by testing the apps and giving them feedback of your experience, guys. So this is what you do, and you be paid that money or more. So to be part, guys, this you have to key in your email address, right? So example, let me type in any email address of my choice and click on sign up. So guys, as you click on the sign up, this is the form that you see. So give me some time, let us go through the form. So the first part is where you have to type in your password. Then after, you have to type in your first name here, last name here. Then you choose the devices you want to use to test. Now this is where I'll reveal one secret, so listen. So you choose your Android phone, you choose Windows phone, Windows PC. Why? Because these two are very common devices that people use often, right? You can also use iPhone, right? And this way you can receive more tests. I mean, more tests that will come also means more money that will come. So you can also choose your age, guys. Now don't choose a lower age, choose 30 or above. Even if you are lower than 30, for more tests that will come, choose above 30 years and choose a gender. You can see every country here, so you can be in any country and still make your money by becoming a beta tester for them. Then after, you key in your zip code, then you choose your educational level or background, guys. So you choose, it's good to choose graduate, guys, or at least college is okay, so that you can receiving more tests or trials, right? You can choose either master or high school. Remember, in each way, if they think you've gone higher in education, it means you'll be given more trials, right? Or trials with bigger money. And then you choose your experience. You can choose average. Then this is also where the thing is, you can choose the social media you do use. It's best to choose the common ones: Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram. But this is where most of the tests or the trials or the testing will come from. Then you can choose that part-time or full-time. Remember, you can choose any of this, and it is important. And this is where the interest is. You can choose your interest, guys. So mostly you are asked to choose 8. Now choose the interest that you think more people will want you to test their product. So mostly music, guys, is very important. So this is where you can't skip any part of the video: music, entertainment, finance. The ones I'm picking are the ones that are very common: sports, gaming, travel, learning. So they said 8. Now I've chosen 7. So the last one, that thing will be good is technology, guys. So you can choose these things, and this is where you see more of the things, the apps for you to test, guys. And after you choose if you're a parent or no, or yes, you choose any of them. Then after, click on submit registration. So after you click this, guys, you'll be sent an email. So this is how the email will look like, guys. This is how it will surely look like. Now when it appears, guys, when it appears, this is what you see. So you have to click here to complete the profile. After you are done with the completion, this is what you see, guys. So they'll give you a thank you for being part, and you'll be asked to wait a little, because they'll check your profile before they'll match the test to you. This is why you have to be keen when you are filling the profile, because they'll give you the test based on the profile. So wait for a while, and they will send you a message when you are ready. So when you sign in again, this is what you meet. So this is where the project will appear from, guys. This is where you have to fill in your payment, guys. So they pay via PayPal, right? They pay via PayPal. So this is where you have to key in your payment information. This is where, when the project comes, this is where to appear. So you have to click, and then you have to go through the test, try the app's website, and you pay for this tax. So guys, if you have any comment, drop it below, and I will surely help you out. In case you can't see your headway out, I'm here to help you make money. So guys, thank you very much for watching to this end. If this is your first time for watching me, can you drop me a like? It really helps with the video. And if this is your first time, guys, remember, subscribe and be part of this family where we teach how to make money every day. So guys, thank you very much, and have a lovely day. Bye bye.